If I were learning programming today, I would absolutely use AI, but I would not use it to skip learning. That's where a lot of beginners nowadays go wrong. They open ChatGPT, type something like build me an app, and then just copy the code and that's it. And they call that learning. It is not, because at the end of the day, you still don't know what that code is doing. Hi, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about tech, career, and leveling up. So please subscribe. So today I want to talk about how to actually learn programming using AI. Because AI is an amazing tool if you use it correctly. It can explain things, it can give examples, it can help you debug, and even create practice problems. But like I said, you have to use it right. So here's how I would do it. Step 1. Learn the actual concepts first. Let's say that you are learning about functions, loops, arrays. Do not start by asking AI to write code for you. Start by asking AI to explain you a concept in a simple language. Something like explain loops to me in a simple language and give me real life example. This will help you understand what the concept actually means before you even start writing your code. Because in order to be a good developer, you have to understand this concept well. After you fully understand and apprehend the concept, ask AI for a simple example. Not a full app, not a huge project, just a little piece of code. A very small example. Something like show me a simple loop in Python. Show me the same example in JavaScript. Explain each line of code to me. In programming, it's very important to take it one step at a time. Because I see a lot of beginners, they want to learn everything. And they try to build these complicated things that they don't yet have knowledge for. So please be patient and learn one thing at a time. Next, try to actually write the code yourself. This part matters because programming is hands-on. It's like driving a car. You can understand how to do it, but if you're not actually doing it, you're not gonna know how to drive it. And don't copy-paste code. Write it yourself from the beginning. So basically, look at the example, understand it, then close it and do it yourself. You will most likely forget something, you will make mistakes, and that's the whole point. Then, when you're comfortable with that concept and you can code it yourself, ask AI to quiz you. This is, in my opinion, one of the best uses for AI. When I was in school, we didn't have AI, so it was hard to quiz yourself. You had to ask other people to help you. Ask AI something like, give me 5 beginner-friendly problems about loops, but don't give me the answers until I ask. And don't correct me until I finish the problem. Then go ahead and try solving these problems yourself. And you can even prompt AI to make sure it doesn't give you a full answer, but kind of leads you towards the correct solution. The full answer just ends your struggle. And unfortunately, struggle is where the learning happens. Next, use AI to help you debug. But make sure it doesn't just give you an answer. Make sure it explains you every step. When your code breaks, and it will break, don't just paste it into AI and ask to fix it. Instead, ask for help. Make sure it gives you hints, helps understand the logic, and helps you understand what's wrong with the code. This way, AI teaches you how to debug. And believe me when I tell you, debugging is a very important skill in programming. Next, build small projects right away. Again, you don't need a huge project. You don't need a massive app. You just need to build small, little, tiny projects. So you're forced to solve problems and to actually type code. Once you understand a few basics, start building projects. A calculator, a to-do list, a number guessing game, basic weather app, something very simple. Basically those simple beginner-friendly projects that everyone is building when they start programming. Then you can ask AI not to build you the project, but to assist with it. Ask it to help you plan. Ask it to help you develop logic. Ask it to help you think like a real developer. You can ask it to help you brainstorm the steps needed, and then use those steps to build the app. And if you get stuck, ask AI to help you brainstorm. Not to give you the answer, but help you find it yourself. Next step is to use AI to review your project. AI can be very useful in that. After you code something, ask AI to review your code. Make sure to specify that you're a beginner and you're learning, and ask how this can be improved, what can be done better, and why. This can help you understand cleaner code, better naming conventions, better structure, and just help you develop better habits. But again, AI is AI, and don't take every suggestion blindly. Read it, question it, do some research, find why AI gives you that suggestion. Next step is you can use AI to help you keep a learning journal. Every time you learn something, write it down. What you learned, what confused you, what finally made it click, and what you want to practice next. You can even ask AI to summarize your notes and even help you create a study plan for next time. That way, you're not just randomly learning different things. You have a structure. You're developing a roadmap of learning. And once again, AI is not here to replace your learning. It's here to assist. And please don't use it as a shortcut around the basics. If you skip the fundamentals, it will catch up with you later. Anybody can build an app with AI. Understanding what the app is actually doing, that's programming. So if you're learning programming with AI, here's the simple rule. Do not ask AI to think for you. Ask it to help you think better. That is the difference. Learn the concept, look at the examples, ask for hints, build small projects, debug slowly, make sure to always review your work, and keep going. Programming is hard, but I'm sure you can get there. And AI can make it easier and faster for you. So please, go learn something amazing, and I'll see you next week.